Hey Wilson, you'll never guess what I did with those egg yolks from the angel food cake last week.
Well, well, neighbor. Cooking again, I see. What you cooking this week?
Pound cake. That way none of the ingredients goes to waste. About the only thing that'll go to waste is a few extra pounds going to my waist. You know what I mean? Yeah, check out my video.
My God, what did you eat?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.